What's going on, y'all? This is Ideology from itecaudiostudios, bringing you a quick tutorial showing you an alternative on how to change the speed of your audio recordings without utilizing Elastic Audio and Pro Tools. If you look here, I have a sub bass that has been warped by Elastic Audio processing, and I have a drum kit that I programmed right here into Pro Tools that is just not processed at all. So I want to make sure that this piece of audio can follow tempo changes without utilizing Elastic Audio. So the first thing I want to do, right, I'm going to play this for you guys so you guys can hear what's happening here. This is the basic sounding of this performance. Check it out. Sounds good the way it is, but I want to just experiment with the tempo changes. Because this track has Elastic Audio processing, the bass sub is going to follow those tempo changes, and that's going to be fine. But sometimes when we're editing with Elastic Audio, if we push the tempos too much, we can hear some issues, right, that the technology is making when it's trying to warp, time compress, or time expand the audio. In order for you to do this and make the sounds, as natural as possible, the first thing we want to do is we want to go to this track. We want to make sure that we change the time base from samples to ticks. So now that I have this changed to ticks, the next thing I want to do is I want to select my audio here, which I have selected, and I'm going to separate my clips. In this case, I'm going to separate my clips at transients. Once I select transients, I'm going to select the pre-separation amount right here. You'll see that the slices have been cut based on the transient peaks of the audio waveform. The reason that I want to do that is because if I leave this on ticks, each sample or each piece of audio is going to be locked to the absolute, right? To the bar and beat timeline. So when I change the tempos, the distance between those pieces of audio is going to be relative to each other, and it will follow those tempo changes. So in this example, I'm at 93 beats per minute. I'm going to change the tempo. Let's try 117, right? And let's see what that sounds like, all right? Now let me play it so you can take a listen to it. Let's go. I'm also going to take the audio here and I'm going to lower the tempo. Let's go down to 65. Let's listen to that. Now it looks like it's separated, but it's still going to sound good. Check it out. And that's how you change the tempos without using Elastic Audio, maintain the possible quality, the highest possible quality that you want with your audio. All right, enjoy. For more information, send me a message and join our Pro Tools training program. Peace.
Ideology Production.